Microsoft quietly changed your Files tab to something called Shared. And once you see what it can do for you, you'll never hunt through your channel conversations or posts for attachments again. So the word Shared at the top of a Teams channel is the new name for what used to be called Files. It separates everything into two little buckets or filters, one of them being in Library and one of them being in Messages. These two filters at the top help you understand where something lives or where it actually originated from. Let me explain. So in Library really means it's in a files area, file library within the SharePoint site of your Microsoft team. So that's just kind of the back end information for you. Think of the library as a filing cabinet for the channel that you're in within your teams. It's structured and in one place that should be easy for you to find with the proper permissions that are attached to this team and channel. So what ends up in this library? Well, really it's anything that you drag in here or you create new from this button, or maybe you create new from your application like Word or Excel or other apps that you have that are part of the Microsoft suite, and state that this is the location you want the file to go into. So beyond dragging in the files directly to the shared area, we can attach a file within the post area as I've done right here. So checklist for MS training. If I post this and if I go to shared now, you'll see checklist for MS training, of course, is in the library. Anything you post is showing there. So let's go on to click on the in messages and see how it changes our screen for us. So the in messages area shows me just those items that were shared within the post messages or conversations within this team channel. So if I were to go to posts, I can of course scroll through my posts to find anything that was shared. But instead of doing that, the shared area and in messages area shows me all of that information. And so we have a few other options at the top here, these other filters. First one being recent, so it puts it in order of most recent to oldest to show you what's been shared in those messages. I can say I just want to see the files that have been shared in messages, and then I'm seeing that checklist for the 365 training. Or I could say I just want to see links that were shared in the messages. And then these are links that are coming from websites, from appointments, from actual conversations, from YouTube channels, and so on. Now, beside these links, if I hover there, I'll see that there's 3 dots for a menu. So I can choose to open up that link in my browser so then I could see what that website is. I could copy this link and then put it somewhere else. Or I could go directly to the message where this link was contained. So let's click on that and you'll see that this is the message where this link was contained. Let me hit the back button and go back to messages. Let's go back to recent and let's use the filter area to find something, right? So notice that by typing in the word mission, I'm seeing not only links that have that name on it, but also who shared that actual item. So if you're looking for, well, what did Joanne share versus Connie, you can certainly use this filter to do that as well. So now I know what Joanne shared, Connie shared, lots more. So if it's showing under the in messages area, that reflects how it was uploaded into this Teams channel. This information, this link, this email, this file was uploaded via the posts area. So this new name, shared versus files, better aligns with what's really happening here. It's not just files that you're seeing here. You're seeing anything that's been shared within the Teams channel. And it also aligns better with the chat part of Microsoft Teams, because within the chat area, you also have that shared tab at the top as well. And in there is really any document or any link that's been shared within the chat. All right, so there you have it. Take a look, experiment with this, and have some fun with Teams. Thanks. Bye.